I know this is hard to see, but these are my neighbors trying to make it up their driveway. I know it's dark, but all the snow and sleet we had starting to freeze. They're gonna try again. Does he have it? Nope. One of these days, they do this every year. One of these days they're gonna slide and back down and run through the fence. It's a POS car. It looks like a, judging from the taillights, maybe like some type of Pontiac. At least they got their house decorated. We have ours decorated, but one of our light strands is out. We have no idea why. Maybe one of the bulbs broke, because on these light strands, if one bulb goes out, the whole freaking strip goes out, so. Wonder if they're gonna try again. Oh, he's getting a nice run at it now. Give her. Their driveway isn't anything but mud, so. Better go. That was even worse than the other time. Well, I don't want this video to be too long and boring, but just thought I'd show you guys. Wish my camera had better zoom. I wish it wasn't dark. I just heard what they said. They said they're just gonna pull it up out. That'll be fun. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but they're hilarious. They said that they don't want to spin the tires too much, and the woman said, well, why not? They're new. Sure, let's just waste new tires. Alright, well, I'll leave you guys with that so you don't have to sit through the boredom, but actually, they're starting a truck now. They got their big red truck out now. Here comes some freaking fun. Alright, this video is going to be kind of long. I hope it doesn't bore you guys. And if it does, I'm sorry. You can just stop watching here if you're already bored. But it looks like we're going to get some towing action. It's awful cold out. We still got snow. You probably can't see that, but it's covered in snow. We're getting a little bit of... Oh, excuse me. We're getting, like, a little sleet right now. And the roads are starting to freeze again. No, these people are crazy. If they chain that tow strap to the bumper and give her, I'm gonna laugh so hard if they rip the front end off his car. Hopefully they're smart enough to hook it to the tow hooks that are welded to the frame underneath the car. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully they do something here in the next minute or so. Oh, they're banging on something. There they go. Here they go. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, don't tell me it's that easy. Uh-oh. Oh, they made it clear to the top and then he got stuck. I'm so sorry guys, this is a long video. It'd be more impressive in the daytime, but I'm sorry. These people are night crawlers, they don't leave until late at night. I don't know what they're gonna do now. Just a little discussion about the day while we're waiting for these dummies to try again. The new mud lights work amazingly awesome in the snow. I mean, it's ridiculous. Mud flaps are effective. The mud lights had their first mudding today back in the deep rut holes back behind Brian's. We went back there to play around. They just clean out real good. But there, it looks like they might try again. Maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, they're gonna try again. He's gonna give her this time if you didn't hear that. Oh, they probably got it this time. He's got some momentum. Ooh. Oh, he's sideways. Oh no, they're both giving it. Sounds like Gone in 60 Seconds and Tokyo Drift. Oh, they're stuck at the top. It sounds like Gone in 60 Seconds with the muscle cars and Tokyo Drift with Japanese tuners. Man, this is great. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video here and I'll probably make a part 2. See what goes on. They're just spinning up there at the top. I'll make another video if something interesting happens.